Alright, well, here we are back in Nevada. We went home for a quick resupply and fresh up, showers, and got back on the road this morning. Just pulled into camp here. See if we can find a buck. So stay tuned, we'll keep you guys posted. Well, here's camp. We decided to roll with the wall tents this trip. A little more comfortable, a little warmer.
Is he gone again, Christian?
I think he's still there.
See, that's that spring that he's at right now. Is that one I have marked on here too?
Yeah, he's still standing there.
I picked up a doe over there and was able to find her.
Christian was like, there's a buck right there. He's tall.
I think he's pushing that 170 mark, dude.
He's tall.
Don't fucking record
Here's
me.
Joey, this is our hunter. You got anything to say?
Nope. Where are you?
This is the tag holder. Who's also camera shy, apparently.
Fueling up.
This guy's not camera shy.
Not one bit.
Nothing else to see here.
Yes, there is. I'm sure there is. I'm sure of it.
Steve, why don't you tell them what we've seen? Joey don't want to talk to the camera.
Got up here this morning to the Harkness spot where they saw over 50 deer yesterday. They all figured that there might be a shooter in here. Harknesses are usually right. There's a shooter in here, but our tag holder, he's looking for a little bit smaller, wider buck.
Small and wider.
So we're gonna go back to camp, pack it up, go to 10,000 feet, freeze our you-know-what's off, and try and find a little 24-inch basket buck.
Well, it was still on the ground.
Yeah.
I mean, are you getting fucking jarred around?
Time to go pack up camp
That's what we were talking about. Like,
and move. Saw a lot of deer in here, but not the size that we are looking for just yet. So we're gonna pack up and make a big move to the next unit over and get camp set back up, and we'll be back out glassing again this evening. Hopefully find some big bucks over there. Well, we got new camp set at the new spot. It's about an hour and a half drive over here, and it is 12:45, so we're gonna finish up here and then we're gonna get out and start glassing again. This new country looks really good.
Maybe that? Yeah.
Nice and cozy in here. Got the stove going because my bed got wet on the last trip, so trying to hang some blankets and get them dried out.
What?
All right, are we good? Big buck spotted right over here.
He's big bodied, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, right there. He's
24, 24. We just gotta get down this hill real fast. We're sub 500. Hold on by. I'm trying to catch up to these things before dark. Well, we made it up here. We made it. With about 3 minutes left of light, but the bucks are not here anymore. Damn it. Just jogged a mile for no reason.
No, it's a good workout.
We spotted a good buck, about 2,000 yards. Christian and I made what do we do at about a 11-minute mile?
Yeah.
Gun, packs, just to find that it was too dark to even see anything else. So we'll see if we can find her tomorrow.
All right, it's day number 3. Getting ready to head out from camp. Start glassing. Hopefully turn up the big buck that we found last night. We're gonna try to find him again.
What's going on? Good morning, America. God bless you.
We gonna find that big one today?
We're gonna find a big one. Might be the one we found last night. Never know.
You gonna shoot him if it
We're
is?
just not gonna marathon after him. And probably gonna shoot him.
Alright.
Yep. And we're gonna make it back in time to vote.
Good morning. Day 3, 2024 Nevada mule deer hunt, late season. Probably going to take a little jaunt up yonder. Don't know if you guys can see that yet. It's still before light. Saw a really good buck last night. We're starting to realize what our shooter's after. He's quite the picky guy. He's passed on a couple of 170 bucks. Gonna take our time this morning. Gonna get up, do a lot of glassing. We'll see you soon. What? What are we on, day 3? Yeah. Trying to find a big buck. Hopefully we get it done today. I don't know. Lots of deer in the area. Saw a good buck last night. Try to go put eyes on him again. Hopefully get him killed.
Alright, well, I don't know if you can hear me because it's windy, but we're back at the glassing hub. We're out this morning. Saw a lot of deer. No shooters, but it just got so windy we ended up having to pack off the mountain for a little bit, but it's starting to calm down a little bit. It's supposed to snow tonight, so we got a storm blowing in. But we're back out here tonight on this knob, hoping to turn up a decent buck before the snow hits, so we'll keep you guys posted. What do you see?
Nothing.
Then there's that little gray finger that kind of comes up towards us. And right at the bottom left base of that, they just went into the timber right there. It's like they popped out of that bottom, fed across that little finger right there, and went right back in. There you go.
Remember that group?
There's deer spotted.
Remember that group that Daniel spotted this morning on the side right in front of us?
I walked back for 5 minutes to get my gloves.
One standing, the rest of them are all pointed.
Yeah. Not gonna.
They're not getting up.
Yeah, those ones I just seen. That I mean, they came
You see
out of
those,
the tree,
Christian?
went right back into the tree.
Know where you're looking?
Oh, well, you don't have. Remember the ones?
Somebody's using my binos, but
They are? Which ones?
my 15s.
Oh. Well, those,
The
that's a
big
good product.
dogs.
Those are Swarovski's 15 by 56s. Very good product. Highly recommend them.
Out of there.
What do we see?
What's up, America? Seen a lot of does.
yet. We got high hopes though. We're gonna find that big boy.
It's a great view.
Hopefully tomorrow morning it's calmer over back here.
Holding the tent down.
Camped in the wrong spot. Now we're trying to keep this thing from falling apart.
Now we're gonna tighten some guy ropes and hope the tent
How's the
stays.
canvas tent doing?
We had to hold the door for a little bit, but I think we're all right.
Where are we?
I like the short one.
Hey, where are you going, bud?
I'm gonna tighten ropes.
No, I'm talking to cameraman.
What's up?
He's got a few beers.
Where are we gonna meet for the evening? Our evening debrief and briefing for tomorrow. So everybody can support the plan.
Canvas tent.
Got the canvas tent.
Start the fire again.
Yeah, what are we doing now?
We're gonna find it.
End of day 3. Got back to camp. Didn't see a whole lot this evening. Not much up. Pretty windy still. Snowing right now. Supposed to snow till about midnight. We're gonna get up. We're gonna pack up camp again. Some say it's for the 3rd time. Others say it's for the 2nd time. Either way, we will have touched these tents 3 times. We're gonna head back to our original spot in Nevada, and we're gonna go after a buck that we thought was a good one the first time we saw it. Then the 13th time we looked at it, it's still a good one. We're probably gonna watch the video one more time before we drive off in the morning, and it'll be still a great one. And we're gonna try to kill that one. That's what we're doing right now.
Bed right there. It's a good spot.
Yeah, if he lays down right there, he's dead.
Hello, America.
Oh yeah.
Every time. Every time.
Anyways, it was a shitty day, quite honestly. Mother Nature had her way with us. Really did what she wanted, and that was below. So we're gonna pack up tomorrow and go find the big buck. The one that apparently I should have shot yesterday, but nobody had the balls to say that I should have shot it. So
Can you do 2 videos? One for us and one for YouTube?
Gosh dang it, let's start packing up.
So that's what we're dealing with. Big bucks in the first camp spot. So we'll be
and not
back
to
there.
say that there wasn't no
tomorrow.
big bucks here. Just not as big, apparently.
Not as big.
I bet we
From
found
2,000 yards away.
if we go out for
Yeah. So can't move. Number
2.
3.
It's 2.
3 for these guys.
It's 2.
5 or 6 for us. We got another 3 or 4 to go. So is what it is.
Still count it.
Now we're arguing about how many times set up the camp counts.
This would be the 2nd move. Tomorrow will be move number 2.
Steve, how many times you set up the tent?
3 times, bud. 3
Alright.
times tomorrow. But you can't count the first
This
one.
will be
because
move number
it came
2.
from the garage.
Correct.
So they moved it from the garage to here.
Yep. That's 1 apparently.
And then from the first spot to here, and now from this spot by, so that'd be 3.
However, you can't count the first one.
First one doesn't count because
And then
it.
the last one, you just leave the tent there and drive away.
Yeah.
Not a takedown.
All right. Well, morning day 4. Getting camp packed up. We're gonna move to the other unit, back to the first buck we saw. See if we can't find him again, and hopefully get him killed. So stay tuned. We're gonna break down camp.
Giving up on finding peace gave me strength to live in grief. There's poison in the tongues that sing. This world owes you anything. This world owes you anything. You can't buy love or loyalty. These you earn by honesty. And life is cruel and death is kind. And a heart of gold is hard to find. A heart of gold is hard to find.
All right, campsite number 3.
Bullshit. If I had the right rifle, man.
Kind of getting tired of moving this stuff, but
before you even popped off the
this should be the last.
thinking about how many shots
Should be the last setup, hopefully. I think we're gonna shoot a buck from here. We're gonna find a big one. What do we got going on?
Here we are. Campsite number 2.
3.
This is 3.
It's actually 3, however, it's the same spot, so we don't really count that.
Not really. I mean, we were over there last time.
Right,
You're correct,
so
but it's the same lake.
This is a campsite. That one's a campsite. That's 3.
We're on campsite number 3. We're gonna go after that big buck again, and we're gonna get him.
Get him, Landon.
Get up, Landon!
Get him, Landon.
Hook his neck with your foot!
Kick him. Knee him. Knee him.
Oh my God. Hello, America.
Hello, America. We had to stop, make a little pit stop, try to shoot some birds for dinner.
Gotta eat good after we kill this big buck.
Yeah, we're gonna need some protein for the legs. So we're out here shooting some chucker. A couple here. I got a couple up there on the hill. So.
Are we sure that's still the chucker?
I can see him looking around. He's gonna. Fly your left foot.
Oh, you suck!
Oh my gosh. What? That was the biggest choke I've ever seen in my life. Osher never was good at shooting shotguns.
What do you see? What? I said, what'd you see?
Well, we didn't see the big guy. We saw another decent guy. Not the big guy, but a decent guy. We saw the little guy that the big guy was wrestling with 2 days ago. You thought so?
Yeah, it makes sense from what I saw this morning. Because I saw him.
So maybe the big guy's playing big guy games and he'll be back out tomorrow morning like he was 2 mornings ago. That's the hope.
You don't want to show us his face.
What's the word?
Word is we packed up camp once again. Set it back up once again. Got all the way over here. And I think the buck we spotted a couple days ago is going to make us earn it. He's going to make us be patient. One of my most greatest assets, patience. And I think if we are patient enough, he'll come out and we'll see him. Right here.
We'll get him.
Huh?
Good morning.
Good morning.
What day is it?
Ooh, today would be day 5. Day 5, Friday. Here we are. The big 6 hunt of 2024. Just got to our hiking spot. We're gonna get to the glass spot. We're gonna spot the big buck. Christian and I are gonna make a hell of a stalk on him. I'm gonna put him down. And we're gonna have a hell of a day.
Made it to the glassing spot. I haven't turned up the big buck yet.
Somebody get on the water with a spotting scope, please.
Copy.
Where's the third deer, Steve? I got the one on the top left, the one at the water.
It's a doe and 2 fawns. I watched them walk up from the bottom.
Oh.
I'm seeing a lot of deer. We just haven't found the big one yet. But we know he lives in here. We're just gonna keep sitting here until he shows his face. Well, we didn't turn him up this morning. Saw a lot of deer, a lot of bucks, but not the big one. So we're headed back to camp. I think we're gonna regroup and possibly end up backpacking into where we think he might be living. So I'm gonna go swap some gear, get the backpacking gear out, see if we can't find him. So we're running out of days.
Didn't really spot the big one this morning, but the country looks good enough that he's in there somewhere. So we're gonna send out
I think everything else should fit the top
probably 3 of the best here to go after him. They're gonna set up with their overnight gear. Talking about going in tonight, coming out maybe Sunday. Got enough food and water for till Sunday, so they're gonna go try to get up in his bed, jump him up, spot him up, kill him, pack him out. Meanwhile, the rest of us we're gonna stay back here and make sure this is all secure and good to go for us to sleep in.
We'll watch you quick play that with here already, okay? So don't let him fucking. Right. Here we are.
Okay, so now you've got lots of room right here.
Getting Joey outfitted with the
We're getting me outfitted because my
backpack
partner
gear.
and I decided I didn't need my 5200 Kuiu bag, so we're switching over to the bigger.
Got my pack. Yeah, he had to size up a bit for this trip. Daniel's pack's loaded up.
Lucky shirt right here.
Here's to finding the big boy. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Lennon.
Oh gosh.
How smooth is that?
Here we are.
Here we are. Getting ready for a heck of a trek.
Got the packs loaded. We're gonna backpack in over on this mountain here. Joey's first time. It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be phenomenal.
It's gonna be epic. And hopefully we're packing out a big giant buck in a day or two.
Might even not even need to stay the night, actually.
That'd be ideal. But
But we're packed for it.
yep, see how it goes. We got 3 days worth of food on our back, so got a couple days we can spend in here anyway.
And I don't get to go.
Yeah, Dad's hanging behind on this one. He had to be the nice guy and loan all his gear to Joey, so
Yeah.
now he's gonna stay back.
Few in line weren't meant to lead. Fools will follow hearts that bleed. No one else will make your mind. And save your neck from killing time. Save your neck from killing time. You can't buy love or loyalty. But these you earn by honesty. And life is cruel and death is kind. And a heart of gold is hard to find. A heart of gold is hard to find. It's black and white and in the mind. It's the sunset in the sky. It's inside of you and I. The truth is bound inside.
Big buck spotted. We're gonna go after him. About 880 yards away. We finally found him. Fuck yeah, boys. Now the work's on me. Yeah. I just gotta do my job. This guy's gotta perform. We're gonna get a little closer though. We're about cracking a little. Right at the base of his neck. Squeeze.
Shot him in the hip.
Was it a good hit?
No.
Huh?
Hip.
Shot him in the hip.
The gun's shooting way left.
0, dude. Want me to take him? I just want to have a job. There we go, boys. Yeah.
Smoked him. Dead buck.
Fuck yeah!
Fuck yeah! Whoa! Oh! Good shoot. Oh, damn it. Oh,
There we go! Woo! Woo!
yeah, he ain't going nowhere now, boys.
It's a longer pack out.
Fucking stoned him.
Yeah, you put it right in the freaking pocket that time.
So, my gun's off to the right, boys. Or to the left, excuse me. It's a big buck, boys.
That's a big body deer right there. Holy crap.
Pretty badass. Thank you, big buck, for giving me that opportunity. There he is.
Look at the size of that thing.
Buddy. Thanks, man. Thanks to these fellas. We were packing in for 3 days. Christian spotted him on about mile 2. And we went after him, had a little adversity to get through. The gun was shooting to the left, but we got through it. There's a big buck.
Yeah.
Nevada 24.
And I've found a new way to love. It helps wearing gloves and a good pair of boots. And I vow to never give up. It ain't in my blood to remain out of use. And there's a lifetime of work to do. And we all depend on the mending of you. Stay brave in your toil, you lucky old fool. There's a lifetime of work to do. And I'm free wherever I am, as long as my hands carry too much to hold. And you keep me on the line, and I'll be on time till my body's cold. And there's a lifetime of work to do, and we all depend on the mending of you. Stay brave coming of day to behold.
What's up, everybody? Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Help me grow my channel and get my videos out there to more people so they can see them. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna have more hunts coming out. We got a super cool hunt coming from southern Arizona for a coos deer, where we take 3 nice bucks down there, and a Wyoming antelope hunt coming out soon as well. So if you guys enjoy my content, don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notifications when a new video comes out, and stay tuned because there's more to come.